Hello everyone, welcome to Mayur Programming Club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is reveal cards in increasing order. So the problem statement goes like this. You will be given an integer array representing deck of cards, okay, or you can say stack of cards, okay, and there is a deck of cards where every card has a unique integer, okay. So each card is having a unique integer on it, okay, and the ith card is having deck ith entry in this deck array uh, is representing the integer that the ith card is having, okay. And it is mentioned that you can order the deck in any order you may want, okay. And initially all the cards are starting face down. It means that they are not revealed. So what is this face down position? It is something like this. Let's say this is the card given to you, and it is the back side of the card, and if you flip this card, it will show something like this, an integer representing this card. Let's say it is 1, okay, or let's say there is another card, okay. This position is face down position, okay. So that is what I'm trying to tell you what face down position is. If you flip it, let's say it is 2, okay. So this is face up position or revealed position, okay. What's the spelling of revealed? Okay, so face up or revealed. And okay, now proceeding further in the problem statement, you will do the following steps repeatedly until all the cards are revealed. These steps are to be done in the order that they are mentioned, and you should keep doing these steps until all the cards in the deck are revealed. I mean, they are turned from face down to face up position, so all the cards should have been revealed. Till then you will keep doing these steps again and again. What are the steps? So the first step is take the top of the card of the deck and reveal it, okay, and take it out of the deck, okay. So let's say some cards are given to you, okay, and initially they are in face down position. You will take one card out of this and let's say reveal this card and discard this card from the deck. Discard after revealing, okay. So this is what you have to do. Then what you have to do for after that, if there are still cards on the deck, then put the card on put the next top card of the deck at the bottom of the deck, okay. After this step, this is step 1, revealing the card, and after the step your deck will look something like this. Initially there were 3, now there are only 2 left. So you will select this card which is on the top of the deck right now, and you will make it to go under the deck or the bottom of the deck. So let's say let me represent it with another color. So this green one will come on the top and the red one will go in the bottom, okay. So this is what you have to do, okay. Now proceeding further, the third step is that if they are still unrevealed cards, you will keep repeating the step 1, okay. So these two are essentially the steps that will be done, okay. So this whole thing, okay, step 1 and this is step 2. Okay, so till all the cards are not revealed, you will keep repeating those steps. Okay, and note that the first entry in the answer is considered to be the top of the deck. Okay, so whatever may be the first entry, so your deck is starting from the very left entry, and these are the cards below it, and this is the bottommost card. Okay, and let's have a look at the constraints before thinking of an approach. It is better to look at the constraints in order to if it should not be the case that you develop the approach and then you realized, okay, the for the size of the input that is given to you, this approach will give you time limit exceeded or something. Okay, so it's better to look at the constraints first, and then according to the input size, then you will think of an approach. So the deck length is given to be 100,000 for 1,000, and each entry is of order 10 to power 6. Okay, and all the values of the deck are unique. Okay, so let's see one of these examples. Okay, so I forgot to mention that what you have to do, you have to return an ordering of the deck that would reveal the cards in increasing order. Okay, so if let's say this is the array that is given to you, the ordering of the cards should be such that it will result into all the cards being revealed into increasing order. How increasing order? Let's take this as our example. Okay, or this one, this arrangement that they have suggested as the answer or solution. Okay, so if you start revealing cards one by one, the arrangement will come out something like this. Okay, so you can see for yourself like 2, then this card is to be placed at the bottom, so this is the bottom and this is the top. So now it will look something like this. 2 after, then it will be, since 2 is already gone and we are making 13 to go to the bottom, so it will be 3, 11, 5, 17, 7 and then 13. Okay, now 3 will be gone. Okay, revealed or say, and 11 will be at the end. So this whole thing will continue in similar fashion. It is very well explained in the explanation also, that first of all, if this is the arrangement, then we are first of all taking 2 out and revealing it. After that we are moving our 13 to the very end. Okay, here, so 13 have come here, so this is the array that you will be having. After 7 it will be 13, so as you can see, so this whole thing continues, and at last the cards will be revealed in the increasing order. Okay, so this will be the increasing order that in which the cards will be revealed. Okay, so if you take a small example, then you can understand how we can quickly and easily solve this problem. Let's say I tell you that I want a certain ordering. There are 2 cards. Okay, one on the top of other. Okay, let's say this white card is having 1, and what should I take? This red card is having 0. Okay, and I want you, I'm giving you only one option, that is that you can do only one shuffle. Okay, after one shuffle you have to do at least one shuffle if there are 2 cards in the deck, and after then you can reveal them. Okay, so how would you place the cards? One shuffle is that your top most card will go to the bottom. Okay, so how you will place these cards in order to get the revealing order as decreasing order? Okay, this order. So if you place like this, then if you shuffle it, after shuffling it will be something like this. This is the 0 containing card, and this one is the the bottom card is 1 containing card. So if you reveal them now, you will get something like this, 0 and 1, but I want 1 0. Okay, so this position that we have just formed is the ideal position with 0 on top and 1 on bottom. Okay, after one shuffle it will come to this state, and then your order will be like this. It means that we are starting from the desired state and then building our solution in reverse order. So starting from desired state, and then building our solution. In reverse order. Reverse order is used because when this reverse order arrangement will be used, you will get the correct order that is required. Okay, so here I mentioned only one step, that placing the topmost card in the bottom, but here are two steps basically in this particular process. Okay, so these are the two steps. First of all, you are taking one card out, revealing it, and then placing the top of the card that is present at top of the deck in the bottom. Okay, so you will be doing other way around. So what you will be doing, you will be approaching something like this, a problem in this way, that first of all you will sort the whole array. Okay, so let's say this is the deck that is given to you. You will sort it. After sorting, you will get it in increasing order. Okay, but increasing order is the desired order that you want these cards to be in. So you should be starting from the decreasing order. Okay, starting from the reverse side. Okay, so decreasing order, starting from here. Okay, after sorting, what you will be doing is, you will be starting from the desired state, which is this increasing order, and you are starting in the reverse order, so that when you apply the series of operations that are required for you to reveal all the cards, it would result into increasing order. Okay, so how you will be approaching things? First of all, starting from the very end, you will see, you will be having a queue or a deck of cards. Okay, you can call this cards queue. First thing is that you will be sorting. This will be your desired order. Okay, which is increasing order. So you can relate it with the example of this 1 and 0. This was the order that was required, but there was one shuffling that was required before you can reveal the cards. So you place the cards in such a order that after that shuffling you will result into desired order, and after revelation that order that you are required will be shown. So you are starting from this end and going to this end. Okay, that's why 0 1. Okay, so starting from the very end, okay, which is by the way 17 here, you will see whether your queue is empty or not. Okay, So in case your queue, or you can say deck, is it, if it's empty, then you will not do this operation. If that is not the case and you are having something in your queue, then you will start from this direction. You will pick this card, and if this particular card is in your queue, you will pick this card and make it to go to the very bottom of the queue. Okay, so this is the front of the queue. You will pick one card, and this card will be the card that is available from the very end of the sorting order, I mean starting from 17. Okay, and so once this card is placed at the end, so let's say you are having something like 13 and 17. Okay, so you will make 13 to go to end. Okay, and it will be something like this, 17 and then 13. Okay, and this whole thing will keep continuing, and after that what you will do, you will do this operation for once. Basically we are also reversing these operations. Okay, so what operations? These are the two operations essentially. The first one is that you are revealing the card. The second one is that you are moving the card to the bottom. Okay, now you are doing this second operation first and this operation second. Okay, so when you will do them in order, you will be having a increasing order of revelation of cards. Okay, that's why you are doing the second operation first. So taking the top and moving it to the bottom, and then let's say you are on this particular card 11, then you will move 11. So since you were making your order in this direction from 17 to 2, right to left direction, then let's say you are having 11 as the unvisited card from this direction, then you will place that 11 card in front of 17. Okay, and you will keep doing this whole operation. At last what you will be having is, you will be having a order something like this. Okay, but in reverse order. Okay, so something like this you will be having, but in reverse order. So you will be having 7, then 17, then 5, then 11, then 3, and then 13, and then 2. So this is what you will be having as your queue after you are done with this loop. Okay, so what you want this order, because of the nature that we the operations that we are doing and the order in which they were done, you will result in to having this particular queue. So you will start from the very end. Okay, and or start placing the cards in this manner. Okay, into your deck. So from very last index you will start placing the cards. So this index, this 7th number card will be the last in the deck, then this will be the second last, then this will be the third last, and things will continue, and you will be having this order. Okay, so this was the whole logic. By doing, starting from the desired order and starting with the reverse direction, and also changing the order of, or altering the order of operations by starting from the very last operation to the first operation, we are essentially reverse engineering kind of the whole solution. Okay, so you can very easily understand by this example 1 and 0. that after one shuffle you are allowed to reveal the cards, and this was the desired order. So you placed cards in this order, 0 on top of 1, and then after this shuffling you resulted into 1 0. Okay, so this is how we will be solving this problem. And as far as time and space complexities are concerned, you can see that time complexity wise it's order of n, where n is the number of cards in the deck, and space complexity wise also you can see that this whole thing is taking order of n extra space because of use of this queue. Okay, and these are the time complexities, these are the complexities, time and space. So if you still have any doubts or any queries in general, then please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I hope this video and this solution walkthrough provided some value to your DSA mastering journey. And remember, consistent practice and is the only key to master DSA. And until then, keep practicing and keep solving problems. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.